You see this one, come here. Like this one. The skin fell off and the skin is good. We eat the skin first.
You will be yummy.
Right?
Yes,
and then
sir.
if no good, we put it back.
Yeah,
Cook again
that's true.
until it's done. Right?
Yes, sir.
Chuhai,
how long do you cook the chicken for?
Until it's done. We don't have no time for it. Yeah. Hi everybody. Chino love you guys very much. And today I have the plan with Amber. We go to the farm and then we bought like 2 chicken alive and we come home and we clean up and then we make chicken grill. It's fresh and you will be yummy.
You will be yummy. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the Grateful Fishing Show. My name's Mykel. This is Uncle Chino. We're heading out to the farm. Come with us and stay locked in. Let's go.
Thank you. Bang.
Progresso Farms.
Yeah, Progresso Farm. This happy did it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You see all the cow manure right there?
Yeah.
Cow? Yeah, look how many people. They wait in line.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. So we got to go to get the compost first before we go there. We got the chicken real quick.
Okay.
So we go get the compost first. Yeah. See how many people.
Yeah.
Saturday they have the food truck right there too.
Wow.
And then people buy food over there. And now people waiting. See that they're waiting?
Mm-hmm.
Waiting for chicken for the goat to play. And look how big the farm is. Damn. I wish I have this guy, man. Million dollar.
Oh, this is also part of the farm still.
Yeah, people go there. They go all the way. They have the lake over there. Maybe I ask them later. I can go fishing over there.
Wow.
Oh, they clean it all out.
What was there before?
Right here.
The compost?
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah.
Maybe not all right there. Still have a little bit. Yeah, right here. Yeah.
So Chuhai, what are you doing today?
This is like the cow manure and chicken manure. I go home and I mix with the garden soil and I feed my garden too. Mix with the compost. You know? So every time I go buy chicken, I do some of this.
Yeah. So Chuhai, what are we doing here today?
Okay, today we go get like 2 chicken and we go home to prepare. And then we cook, maybe we grill and we make soup. Maybe grill chicken.
Okay, grilled chicken?
Yeah, grill. Like
Okay.
jungle style.
Jungle style.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will grill. We need this one right here. The brown one. I think about $3.50 a pound. And then half a pound each. But like, if more than 100 pounds, they still count only 100 pounds. You know? That's what is fat right there. You know? Maybe one day you and me got to go.
Oh yeah.
And you want to see the pig?
Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Let me just.
We buy take home, so we don't quit and then we can go home. Look at this. I love the small like that so you can and your wife your wife don't like pit anyway. Right?
Yep.
The pit looks so cute, man.
Yeah, especially the small one.
Yeah.
Look at that small one down there.
Yeah.
Wow, this is the fastest farm I've seen.
Sometimes I order 80 chicken. That one
80?
when I come, she surprise.
Okay.
Because I don't have time for go to drop,
Yeah.
you know. If I tell my wife, then we order a lot in the nail salon. I make $2 each, but like,
Yeah. It's too much work,
I
right?
don't have time for it. Yeah, he take it out now. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah, hey, man.
Very good.
Hey. Look at Uncle Chino. Hurry with two chicken. You can do the jungle style today. Jungle style today.
Wow.
You see the chicken? Good.
Very good.
It's
Very
a
good.
good meat, fresh.
Very good.
That's why we like look like we do like the crab meat right in the lake,
Yeah.
and we come home and we do right away.
Yeah.
You know, this is Uncle Chino right here.
Awesome.
Okay, let's go, my friend.
Let's go. And we just got back from the farm. But Chuhai, what are we doing today?
Okay, right now we got the two chicken from the farm, real still alive, and today right now Uncle Chino will clean it and then try to grill it and make it grilled chicken, and then some of bone and some of bone we can make the stock for the soup, and then that it about so.
Awesome. Well, this is where you dump the compost?
Yeah. But I'm gonna come back later. I mix together. Just right now do like that. But later we can mix together, you know.
So many bugs in this.
Yeah, because like they maybe they smell. You know.
Yep.
We do more than so we be quicker. You know. Open the gas. That's done. We don't need that. It's done. You can put it in here.
And today we've got a special message for all our viewers.
Uncle Chino love everybody very much. Uncle Chino wants to say thank you very much for all of your support. We made it like for fun. Me it like $6,000 already. Uncle really happy, and Uncle guarantee next spring we will have the brand new boat, pontoon boat for party boat for 7 people, and your guys can come and then pick with Uncle Chino and have fun. And
You guys may not know this, but Chuhai told me that this is the first time that he's been in a position where people are actually coming together as a community to support him or to gift him or anything like that. So Chuhai, would you like to talk about that?
yes, all my life I always give. I never receive nothing like your guys doing right now. All my life I support my family, I support community, I do volunteer work. Sometimes I pick up the garbage for America. Nobody know, but I don't mind. I just try to make America a better place for anybody. The clean place, the healthy place for anybody. That is my passion, my love. But right now, your guys prove it. Your guys love Uncle Chino so much. That's why Uncle Chino feel like heaven. And I feel really good for your help. And by the way, in the future, I have more chance to give it out, to reach out, to do good work for everybody in need. I don't hold myself. This I will share with anybody in need, or that the first beginning of the business, we can have the chance to outreach more. If without you, if without your guy, I still can do, but it's not much like your guy do for me. So if your guy do, give me the support, give me the push to do more God work. And thank you very much for your support. Thank you. Man, this is good. You see this one, it made the fire not a lot smoke because of the drum. This is easy. This is easy to eat. The net is too high down too. Only go take people go fishing.
Yeah.
If nobody go too high go anyway.
Yes.
Okay. Right. A lot of fat in this one. So Uncle Chino just remove some fat. I have the hair, move some salt. Yeah. This is the chicken style. I think I don't need this.
No, leave it, leave it. I want it.
You want that big one? You know? That one. Yeah. You reduce the fat. This chicken now really fat. They over. I don't want to give them too much food. You know?
Yeah.
I made the wind. All right, not too bad.
You would be yummy.
You will be yummy, yeah. Like Uncle Chino, he do not too good, like younger style, but okay. We don't sell these, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't sell these. And no wrong, no right here. The little we enjoy the freshness of the meat, right?
Yeah.
Not all. And then when we cook, all the oil will be come out and the skin will be crumbly. You know?
I'm gonna grill all that skin you're taking off. I'll put it on a stick and grill it.
Really?
Yeah.
You can do it?
Yeah.
It will be crumbly.
Of course. That's gonna be the best part.
Yeah. But this one we keep it all.
Okay.
Only this one. Only this one we don't do it. Because like this one when we do it we overcook. I like this part. This one you grill it and you make like chicken salad. You know?
Mm-hmm.
You put vegetable. Ooh, that's a good part right there. When you grill this piece, will be nice. Like that. See?
Mm-hmm.
And then you marinate. Take off the it. Same over here. And we suck through the bowl. See? Too much cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. So usually this one, I do like this one right here. I like this part right here. And this one usually I make soup. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but like this one really good look. I leave all the skin on. See that? So this one good. I will do that. And then this one, same thing. Chili now. Same thing. This one we don't throw the skin. Got the skin is good. We can fry, we can do that too. We don't need to make soup. Right?
Yeah.
We can grill that too. Eat to the bone.
Yes, sir.
Uncle Chino do fit better. He have more passion for fit. Let us see. They may say something about this one. Chino don't know what Uncle Chino doing. The only thing I like it because it's fresh, you know what I mean?
Okay. Save me that one.
Yeah, I will. So, like this part right here, we grill it all. No soup, nothing, you know?
Yes, sir.
Put on the... In my country, they grill the whole thing.
I do the whole thing. I don't even cut it
But
up.
like, no, the whole thing is okay, but like it takes long to cook.
And the spice doesn't go in well.
Yeah, this one better. Whole thing. First, we do 1 teaspoon of salt. It's like teaspoon, how I do how you want, you know what I mean? This is chicken powder. 1 teaspoon for 2 chicken. This is no right and wrong, okay?
Okay.
It's like Uncle Chino, no right and wrong. Do however you feel like. If you don't want it, you don't need to do nothing. Alright? Nobody push you to do nothing. This is garlic powder. Alright. This is black pepper. Spicy. This is, you want hot chili?
Yes.
Yeah, we got hot chili. And then, this is the cooking soda right here.
No turmeric?
No, this no. Not too much. We need to have we need to have some I put some seal. Okay, let me go get some no, five spicy. You want spicy? This is 5 spicy. Vietnamese đấy ngũ vị hương. 5 spicy. Ngũ vị hương.
5 spice.
Yeah.
Let me see the.
Ngũ vị hương.
Hold on. Oriental
Yeah.
5 spice.
Yes. Yeah, just a little bit. This really spicy and a little bit oil. For not stick. They not stick. That's all. You know?
Yeah.
And then Uncle Chino set it up. That's it. 15 minutes. We prepare the grill. And we done. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Ooh. Yummy. 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 What better than this?
Nothing.
Nothing better. Over here, we get a fan. You know what a fan is? Alright. Okay, we got ready. Dip for close.
Exactly.
Bang! Oh, like this one right here. Like this one.
Oh, yeah.
You clean
yeah.
it and you...
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Real guy. Yeah. It smell good already. Right from the farm. Oh my God. Skin up first. If we let them clean, will be easier. You know?
Yeah.
But we don't. We want to clean it. You know? This one for salad, really good. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right. All right.
Look at that.
Look at that. All right. All right. All right. Yeah. No need to be perfect.
Alright guys, I'm gonna put some chicken on this, put it on the fire as well. I'm gonna go wash this up.
Yeah. This country is so black. In the jungle, they like the hat too. But we so blessed. Look at that. Look at smoke come up. See how chú ba do? Look, how Uncle Chino do? Turn around, look. Turn like this. Đó. Hey, now I do the pitch really good.
Yeah.
Never break no more. Look at you high doing. You will be yummy. Ooh, look at the bird. Everybody busy making money. We busy to eat. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay.
Money.
No, what a loom. My wife can have like 15 chicken.
Really?
Oh, when we buy a lot. I just do him for favor. If he don't get, I happy.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
We don't lose no money. They order 100 chicken. You know?
100 chicken.
Look at the color. Yeah, chú hai do like em ba do like jungle. Right there, the black one. Chú ba do like jungle now.
Nobody's jungle boy.
Yeah. Chú hai đều more modern now. Chú hai more modern now. Just push it down. Yeah. That been defect. You know. Chú hai là jungle boy now. Em hai là
Do you have
jungle boy.
tongs? For,
Huh?
Do you use tongs to flip it?
Yeah, I did.
But this thing.
No, I just need to turn this.
Okay.
Yeah. I did for the turn.
Okay.
But like I did flip right here.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir. Look at that.
Look at that.
We need light. Slow cooking. We don't need nothing better than this. Call him. I call him.
Is he on the way?
No, I got to call now. If he come, he come. He don't come. Okay. Okay. Lâu chưa? Lâu chưa? Yeah, like that, Uncle Chino. He did it for the fall, but like the summer, it will be too hot, right?
Yeah.
The summer will be too hot. They did two chicken, right?
Yeah.
We have some left over there. Yeah. Oh my. We did take good.
Chuhai, how long do you cook the chicken for?
Until it's done. We don't have no time for it. Until inside no red meat, you know, it will be done too. So we good. You know, we don't have time for it because it's not like fry, you know. We don't know the fry. If like look, if like this pit, right? Look like this one. You see this one, come here. Like this one. The skin fell off.
Yeah.
And the skin is good. We eat the skin first.
Yeah. You will be yummy.
Right?
Yes,
and
sir.
then if no good, we put it back.
Yeah,
Cook again
that's true.
until it's done. Right?
Yes, sir.
That's all. We don't have no time. We don't have no how many. We don't have no gas. We don't pay no gas.
We don't have no recipe.
Yeah. That means you write the book by yourself. Everybody come to Chino become a younger chef. Younger chef don't require nothing. You go with Chino, you get the certificate, become a younger chef right away.
Yes, sir.
That means do how you want.
You die anyway.
Yeah. As long as fresh and good. It's yummy. It's yummy. Who can have like this? Restaurant cannot do like this. Right?
Yeah.
And they don't have time for this either. So, look. It look like 1,000 years ago. That's what people do.
Yeah.
You know? But 1,000 years they don't have no washing machine drum. They do by hand, they wash by hand.
That was a good one, too.
Hey, they put in the stick. The good stick like
Yeah.
that. But the good, not made of. You know?
Yeah.
So, alright. They have turn.
Alright, guys. This is the chicken skin and 2 wings. Gonna put this on the fire
Yeah,
so that we can get this cooking as well.
yeah. So, slow cook. Go down a little bit right here. Yeah. You see all the oil come out?
I'll just put it on.
Yeah. You see all the oil come out?
Yeah.
Let them cook. Yeah. Like that. That's what the chicken style we should do that. If people have one and just do like that and do it yourself.
Yeah.
Right? Uncle Chino don't have to cook. Uncle Chino take a nap. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about that. We die anyway. Let me try this. Hey, my friend. Look at this piece of the skin. Uncle Chino try it. Mmm.
You will be yummy.
Mmm. Good enough. You think good enough?
Yeah, I mean,
Ha! Mmm. 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 Oh, younger stuff. Do like this. You don't have to do nothing. Just like that. You know?
Yeah.
And then later you flip and then you try to enjoy your piece.
yeah.
Enjoy it. Try to put in your mouth to see what happens. How the fresh it is. Look at it, my friend. Look. Mmm.
What's better than this?
Oh. You can not get, huh?
Very good.
You can get it from Walmart. No way. Thank you, sir. Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Very good spice. Season.
Oh my God.
Oh, we're eating good tonight, guys. We're eating 2 whole chickens.
Oh. Can you believe? No.
Ooh.
You don't
Get
throw
all
nothing away. Oh my my. Look at the color. Can you believe?
Right away.
Ooh, look at the skin yummy too. Chino will be sorry to throw that away.
You're gonna eat
Hey, you want me to go take the hat to hat?
Is it in the compost?
Yeah. No, the head you got to cut the nose. You take all the dirty out and no.
Yeah.
The skin is okay, but not that. I don't
I've
like
never
that.
cooked the head before.
I eat the head.
I've eaten it, but I've never cooked it.
But I like this one. I told you. This one is my favorite right here. That one is my favorite.
Oh.
That one is my favorite. You will be yummy.
You will be yummy.
You will try that. And we prepare. We don't have to go nowhere. We don't have time for that crap.
That's true.
When you're ready, we got the beer. We pray to the Lord. And we cook things with real God. Okay?
And we stuck to the bone.
Yeah, you like it like younger style. You will be make this. You will be copy this one. You will copy this one. You want to do like the same Uncle Chino? Yeah. When it cool down, you do like this in the backyard. You get one chicken. Hey, we can go get the lamb and put in the grill like this.
Yep.
So yummy, right?
So frumpy.
Yeah, we can go. Don't worry. You know, like this, I like it like this. You know why?
Why?
You eat right here. You don't burn it inside. You eat right here. You know.
Yeah.
You cook right here. You eat right here. And the meat not done, you put it back.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep.
Oh my. You imagine if you cook the whole chicken will be long.
Yeah.
You know, look at it.
What's better than that?
No, not like no restaurant like this, man. This too hot. But half, I not bite yet. I spread in half.
Okay.
You eat it.
Okay.
Right. How the taste good? Five spicy. So next time you do sugar man.
We can dip in soya spice if you want.
Okay, I got a sugar bag.
You want to finish? Yeah.
Yeah. I like this salty already. Maybe I want fresh pepper. And then 2 beer.
Me too.
All right. Okay. You got to take care of this first. If good, we can put. You think it's good enough? Cook a little bit more, right? Yeah. No, it's been done. It's been done. Ooh.
Varnish.
Soup for what? More work. Hey, like this is easy because you put meat inside no cook.
Yeah.
This is smart way. This is Uncle Chino smart way, you know. Yeah. Thank you, Emba. Because at Emba Saturday I got to eat good. If no Emba, I got to go work.
Sure, I always eat good.
You know?
Yeah.
I can do whatever I want. But có hai lap, I don't like. But like I do now, she smile. So what better? Smile or laugh? Right? Look, right here it's hot in the bowl.
Wow.
You can cook right here too.
You can put tacos there.
Yeah, look. Yeah. Later we put a small piece.
Don't touch it, it's gonna burn you.
No, I said you put a taco there.
Yeah.
So we think it's done. I think it's done. It's done. Put everything in here. This one done. If later not done, you can put it back. You know what I mean? Doesn't matter. We have here all day, all night. This is like the that for the if the lady want to do the salad.
Yeah.
Oh man, that if you made the salad. Yeah, you can put that on there.
When you finish taking the meat off.
Yeah, and then we got more meat too. Yeah, put in there. Look at how many pig we got. We have so many pig. Yeah. And then we got beer and we begin to
Pray.
yeah. Look at that. And then we put more later. Look at that. Hey, you go to the restaurant $32, you got it? No way.
No way.
No way. They charge you maybe $100 for that. Right?
Yeah.
Ooh, begin smell good.
You're gonna taste this. It's
Yeah,
gonna be yummy.
I did
Okay.
before, but I put in the oil.
Okay. Oil no good. Too much
Yeah.
oil is not good.
Yeah. This one better because they take the oil out,
Yeah.
take the fat out. But like if you cook with water, the fat don't come out.
It comes out but it floats on top.
Yeah.
You have to.
But like
strain
this one
it out.
better.
Yeah.
This 100% better. Okay, I go get some beer. All right. All right. You will be yummy, Uncle Chino. You will be yummy. You will be yummy. You will be yummy. Yeah. Yeah.
I think this should be done by now.
Yeah. If you want more crumb, you can do more. If not, like that. Okay. So you can pray first before we need to be out. Or...
All right, let's pray.
So now, right now we just do like with only eye. And after we fry, they say CO2 Okay. They know already. You cannot hide. If you don't, you don't. If you do, you do.
Yeah.
Okay. We are not holy.
Only God is good.
Yeah. We are not holy. They can say how they want. Okay. That's it. The only thing we care, we got something to drink. All right.
All right. Video again. As you guys can see, we're out here by the pit, and we have got a lot of chicken. These are the chickens we just got at the farms today. We've grilled them using the Oriental 5 spice, and we're about to pray, and we're gonna eat. Chuhai.
Okay. Chúng con cảm tạ Đức Chúa Trời toàn năng là Cha yêu thương của chúng con, là Chúa của hôm qua, hôm nay và ngàn đời không hề thay đổi. Chúa ơi, chúng con cảm tạ Chúa nhiều lắm vì Chúa đã cho chúng con được làm con cái của Ngài. Chúa đã cho chúng con được một ngày thứ bảy cũng được mọi sự bình an. Chúng con ngày hôm nay có em ba đến đây cùng với chúng con để ăn bữa tối. Xin Chúa thánh hóa bổ sức cho chúng con để chúng con làm được những gì mà đẹp lòng Ngài và mọi vinh hiển được quy tụ về Ngài. Chúng con dâng lời cầu nguyện nhân danh Chúa Giêsu Christ. Amen. Rồi mời em ba.
Cảm ơn Chúa. Cảm ơn Chúa.
You can eat it like just like if you want to, okay?
No yupka.
No, yupka. Joe. Oh, where's my piece? I like this one. You look for which one you want. We have the pepper right here. It's so good. It's so good. So good. Nothing better than that. We don't throw nothing away. Nothing away. That's what you want. You can go. You go. How you like it?
I love it.
It's too high, say right? It's Uncle Chino, right?
Yes, sir.
And you put right here, more smell. Oh my God. Now maybe better. You know why?
Fire gone down.
Yeah, big slow cook. You know? It's okay. We don't have time for that. Yeah, like that. Let them go. We don't care.
Where do the bones go? Fire or compost?
Doesn't matter. Maybe compost. Maybe compost. Just leave that. They look clean. The skin good. So crumbly. Look, you hear? You guys can do this at home, okay? I prove it.
You will be yummy.
Gà đăng tiền. Don't buy the chicken in the Walmart. Will be different. Got to go to the farm. If your guy cannot clean it, let them clean it. Go home, cook right away. Don't put in the fridge. But if you can cook, clean at home, better.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're talking about, right?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever eat like this? Really? So you know already. So you next time, your turn.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh my God. So, Uncle Chino live in the farm. Uncle Chino work one day and take off 29 days. We don't throw nothing away.
Mm-hmm.
Not even ember. Like this, Uncle Chino like to eat meat, but the meat in the Walmart, maybe not too much. You know, meat in the Walmart maybe copy better. Yeah. Come on, my friend. You don't need to pay for the gas. You don't need to pay for the charcoal. You make your own charcoal. Okay. Try to live simple, and your guy will be retired. Uncle Chino should be retired already. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Your guy will retire early. Like this. Tới ra là. Yeah, just like this. This. Tới ra là. Jungle style.
Mm-hmm. Barbecue.
Yeah. Fred, one day we will sell 10 chicken. That's it. After 10 chicken, there's no more. You want it, come back next Saturday. They wait in line. When they turn and say no more, they get mad. They say, Uncle Chino, you want to hire some more people? Or maybe they say, forget Uncle Chino, we go by themselves. Outside we go and get chicken and do it.
They don't have time.
Why? For making money. Man, I'm happy, man. I finished the job. I finished the job. One today, just one remodel the bathroom, right?
Yeah.
In the Soto. They want to do the bathroom in the Soto. I say no, too far. Chino don't want to deal with that. And the lady said, Chino, you told me you do transmission for me, and you do the back pop for me, and you never do. I got to fire you. I said thank you. So why you tell me? You advertise for me for what? For what? Hey, I like the job, like $300 come in, come out. I like that. I don't want no 5,000-10,000. Too much headache. You know?
Wow. That's too cheap.
Yeah. It's okay. I'm not being greedy. You know. It's right, man. You do like this. It's faster to cook. The marinade come inside, spicy come inside, really good.
Yeah.
You do the whole chicken no good, right?
Yeah.
That's smart way to do. Hey. Now better. Not for the lady. The lady working hard.
This one is mine, right?
Yeah. The lady working hard. The lady take care to boys.
All day.
We only go around do what we want.
When I come back, I start editing videos.
Hey, the man got to do like that, man.
Mm-hmm.
I told you already, you may not believe me. I never changed the diaper. I have 5 kids and then 2 bed. Like 2 grandkids. I never changed the diaper. Get out of here. No, I got lucky. I got lucky.
Yeah.
Because I got mother-in-law live with me for a long time.
Yeah.
I love them. I love them. So I treat them good. So my mother-in-law like now,
Mm-hmm.
she love me, man. Then, man, come to the Chino. Morning no eat too. My wife do how you want. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to know about that. Be happy.
Yeah.
She said in the morning. Yeah. Chino not rich, but like Chino don't concern much about money. You know. You know why?
Why?
Because I don't spend nothing. Why I need money for? Okay. You know.
Yeah.
I can get the boat for $2,000, but I want to treat my friend like all my friends. No, I treat them like VIP. I can get what the $2,000 and go in the middle of the lake and tuck and that stay there. No, if only me, it's okay.
Yeah.
I can spin back. I love that, man.
When was the last time you went swimming?
I said, right there.
When?
Right in the lake in the summer.
Mm.
Yeah, in the summer, too hot. I go down in the lake right there. My head like this and then fish.
Really?
Yeah. Good. You like it? That part really good. Because they have the fat, everything in there, the skin. You know?
Mm-hmm.
This is our country do, right? Yeah, it's no good that it no be just like that. That's see, that's the advantage, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you see not good, if you good cook good, you eat the outside. No, outside good. The outside good. If not, you put it back a little bit. Like it burn more. Okay. No, the wind is good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see the wind. The wind is good. Mmm. Yeah. I put that. Not that. It smells burn good. You guys get try this Saturday, you know. Invite fan come. Go get the chicken and do it. That's it.
Just do it.
Yeah. You can do this at home.
So crumpy.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
You want more pepper?
No, I got this one. I've gotten to the seed part, so I'm careful.
Mm-hmm. Good one.
I mean my own.
Yeah.
pocket.
Good one you want. About that one, everything.
The breast.
Hey, this one you cut, slice, and you put in salad.
Yeah,
Ooh, man. That's a good part. But I don't like much. I like the red meat.
Because the meat, the flavor doesn't go into
Yeah,
it.
it's right. But it's good for salad.
It's good for salad.
Yeah. Good. If we have time, you can marinate about another hour. Not bad. But they good enough.
Jungle don't marinate.
Yeah. All they have is salt. Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes don't have salt either.
Oh yeah.
If we should do live stream.
We can do that.
No. Next time. Try the outside. And the inside no good. You put it back the inside. Just try the outside. Crumbing. And good.
Let me use the knife.
No, yeah. Yeah, cut it to see first. Cut inside. Yeah. It's been cooked. If not, you put it back again. Okay. The bone good, man. Suck to the bone. In my country, they like to invite friends, the man.
Mm-hmm.
When the woman not home, they invite friends come in and do like this. You know?
Yeah.
If they have something, and they mostly they bring like when I in Vietnam, they bring rye wine.
Heineken.
No, rye wine, no Heineken. Rye wine. Because that time I'm poor, we don't have no money for Heineken. We don't have no money for Budweiser.
Yeah.
You know, rye wine cheaper. So that's what we do. Homemade beer. Example, I buy one can of Budweiser, and I buy 10 can of barrel, 10 like 5 barrel of homemade beer. They made at home.
Is it good?
Yeah, yeah. Hey, not like good as like factory made, but
Better than nothing.
yeah. So they want more, you know. So usually, yeah. Usually I don't have enough money. I buy the homemade beer. Yeah.
What do they make it with?
They make the same thing from dry, from cold. They make the same thing, but like factory made and homemade. You know, because they don't need to pay for the plate.
Yeah.
They don't need to pay for another expensive, so that they do cheap. Yeah. You want it inside again?
You think it's done? Or
Yeah. You cut too. No, cut so that it open, so it more. Yeah, cut like that. Yeah, like that. And then when we put it in mouth, we put it in. Yeah, we cook with real that. Just leave like that. Now it's more better.
Yeah.
Because before it like burn too much. Now slow cook. Am I full already?
Me too.
I tell you, man, I'm full already. Oh, this pig really good. Why you don't try this pig?
Because you said you eat it.
No, I did already.
I thought mine was still.
No,
on the
that's
fire.
you.
Okay.
Yeah, try that.
Is it done?
More than done. Try that. Try that pig. It's the more than done. That is only the skin and nothing. Yeah, I eat it all. It's done. Because this is no big meat, only small meat. Yeah. I know you know. Got to take that pit off because that is smell, right? I try to see if you know or not. Hey, this is smart guy. I know. I try to tell you. I say like,
Jungle Boy.
I say, hey, let me go. No, I don't know because I never eat. No, I like this part. I like that one. But like the one you just take it out.
Yeah.
I never eat that. But like in my country, they always take that out. I don't know why. Yeah, but the thing you throw that, I like that one.
No, I ate around it. That's the bone.
No, that is not the bone. It's like the soft bone.
Yeah.
Soft, you can chew that
Yeah.
and take good. That take good. Hey, that meat, that part is really good in the chicken. In my country, like whoever in VIP, they only get that piece. No else. You know, like good grandkid, The good boy, they give them the bad boy no, bad boy get out.
Bad boy, get out.
Yeah, get out. Get out of here. Oh my. So you think good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you, Chuhai.
Yeah.
Come on, Chuhai.
You're welcome. No problem. Too high, no problem. Too high, no problem. Too high, happy. Too high, finish the job. Money coming already. Now too high, enjoy. Too high, don't worry much. Don't worry at all.
You guys heard it. Don't forget to tune in, stay locked in. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. This is a Grateful Fishing Show where we have fun with fish. Stay blessed, put God first. Until next time, fish on.
Fish on. You will be yummy.
You will be yummy.
Yeah, thank you.